If you're a photographer, videographer, or hybrid shooter, then you definitely know what one of these are. And I think these things suck. When you're traveling with one of these hard cases, oh my God, it is just not an efficient way to travel. They're clumsy, they're super heavy, even with no equipment in them, and extremely heavy when they're loaded down with equipment, and they honestly just don't have that much space. They take up so much space for just the padding and protection that sometimes is a little bit overkill, I think, and that eats up the total capacity of equipment that you can put in one of those cases. So I think I found a solution, and that's one of these. The Nanuk and Cubik camera cube system. Now they come in a lot of sizes. This is the 17M, so it's the medium size, 17 centimeters tall. It's amazing. It can hold so much of my camera equipment, and it fits in my roller bag perfectly. Should they ask me to check my bag, which has happened, I can pull this out and it fits super snugly even on those tiny planes. This, in combination with my backpack, I'm able to make it work, carry all my equipment with me, and even make room for my toiletries, extra clothes and underwear for an overnight stay in case for some reason I get stuck somewhere, I have no access to my check bag, which has happened before. I use something like this. This is a trunk style, let me open that up for you. It's a trunk style carry-on bag. And because of this design, it fits in there perfectly. And because it's a regular roller bag, it has regular wheels. I cannot tell you how annoying these hard shell 2-wheel camera bags are to roll around the airport. I mean, I have monitors, I have V-mount batteries, I have lens accessories, mounting options, all kinds of stuff in here. And all the main important things like lenses and camera bodies goes in my backpack. Everything else I need to get my work done goes in here. And also everyone knows what this is. You know, you see this at the airport, you know that they have something valuable or they're a camera person. So in my mind, it kind of makes you a target when you have one of these. These do provide a lot of protection. I will not take that away from them. But for me, the goal is to not let the airline take my camera equipment from me. They have a lot of batteries in them, and I just don't trust them to be careful with such valuable equipment. So if I can take the cube out of my carry-on, let them take the carry-on practically empty, that's a win for me. Now there are other solutions out there. Peak Design came out with the Roller Pro, which is like this bag, 4 wheels, a traditional carry-on suitcase, but they came up with an insert designed for the bag to carry a bunch of camera equipment. Now I don't have $800 to spend on that bag. I think this is a super awesome solution to the problem I have, and it saves so much space. If you have any recommendations for some travel hacks like this, leave it in the comment below. But what do you think? Would you give up your hard shell camera case for something like this?